Hey Dom, hey Lee. We just blasted about 100 ducks in about 45 minutes. What a blast. That was incredible. I've never seen ducks like that before. Wish you guys were down here. It would have been a lot of fun. Hey, we're just wrapping up our trip to Argentina at San Javier Lodge. We had a great time hunting and fishing, and our guides were incredible. Our staff here is incredible. Just can't say enough good things about this place. So happy to be able to be here. Thank you Dom and Lee for teaching me not just to be a construction guy with a few crews, but a business owner that just happens to run a construction crew.